Ever wonder why some actions feels automatic while others never stick? Let's crack the habit loop, Karyans. Namaste, Karyans. This is Vanita Ganesh Murthy, your guide at KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub, and you're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks, helping you grow 1% every day the Vedic way. We all have habits we wish we could change, but somehow we keep repeating the same pattern, that is, procrastination, distractions, mindless scrolling. Why does this happen? Because our brain is wired in loops, reinforcing certain behaviors automatically. So, what is the Vedic solution? In the Vedic tradition, every action begins with Sankalpa, a conscious intention. I always talk about Sankalpa. If we align our cue, routine, and reward, the three parts of the habit loop with purpose, discipline, and awareness, we can rewire our behavior. The cue is the trigger, the routine is the action, and the reward is the feeling or result. By consciously choosing your routine in response to the cue and linking it to the meaningful reward, you create a loop that grows your energy and productivity daily. What are the action plans? Point number one, identify your cue. Notice what triggers a habit. Point number two, choose your routine consciously. Replace the old routine with a productive action. Point number three, attach a meaningful reward. Celebrate completion even in small ways. Point number four, repeat consistently. 1% growth every day compounds into mastery. Karyans, implement one habit loop today and see how your day transforms. Join our Vedic KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub community to track, share, and celebrate your wins. Together, we grow 1% every day. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.